Here's a delicious recipe for raisin cranberry cookies that combines the sweet and tart flavors of raisins and cranberries. These cookies are chewy, flavorful, and perfect for a sweet treat. Ingredients: 1 cup, 2 sticks, unsalted butter, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 1 cup brown sugar, packed. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 2½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 cup raisins. 1 cup dried cranberries. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line baking sheets with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs, one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Gently fold in the raisins and dried cranberries. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto the prepared baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in the preheated oven for 10-12 minutes, or until the edges of the cookies are golden but the centers are still soft. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. These raisin cranberry cookies are a delightful combination of sweetness and tartness, perfect for enjoying with a glass of milk or a cup of tea. Enjoy your homemade cookies.